Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Today is March 6th, and we're back down for counting down to your birthday. We have 20 days until your birthday.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Cool, man. Right? Alrighty. And today, to celebrate 20 days until your birthday, you can open 2 surprises.
And Ryan's World
Yeah.
Road Trip.
Exactly. Okay, you ready?
Yes. Opening.
Alrighty.
I'm going to open this one. I'm going to open this one. Oh, I opened it.
You did? One punch?
Oh my god. This is an alien.
An alien. All right, let's find out. Take him out of the bag and we'll find out where he's from or representing.
He's right here. He's New Zealand.
What state is that?
Let me see. Nevada.
Nevada.
Oh.
Show your Pacers the new one that you got. Hold it up. Cute.
And look, if he's an alien, look, he's zooming through the space. Zoom, zoom. 3, 2, 1, go.
So silly. All right, open another one. Let's go.
Okie dokie, Master. Okay. I don't want to upset the Pacers.
Aww.
Okay, whatever. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, one punch again.
Oh, awesome. You're getting stronger.
Oh my god, it's another panda.
Another panda.
His name is Panda, but he likes video games. Okay,
Alright.
he looks so random.
Okay, open him up.
Oh my
So
god, he has hair sticking out.
the Pacers can't wait to see him. Hold him up for the camera.
Okay, well, can we see?
Hold him up for the camera. Who does he represent? Let's see.
I can't read upside down.
Let me see. Give me the panda.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. So let's look and see if we can find another panda. Is that him?
Nebraska.
Nebraska. Cool. They're both cute, right?
Yeah, let me just ask you a question. How am I supposed to get Nevada or
Nevada.
or this state that we found?
Nebraska.
Nebraska, right.
I don't know. Let's practice. Nevada. Nebraska.
Nebraska.
Good job. Alrighty, is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers before you go?
Can I just tell you what I'm really hoping for?
What? What do you want to open next time?
This one.
Oh, Oklahoma.
This one and that one.
In New Mexico and Louisiana. Alright. Oh, no, not Louisiana. Mississippi.
This one.
Alright, we'll see. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. This is the subscribe. Hit the bell, please. And shoot.